My teaching got really flexible. I can practice it for real or I can simulate it. Wind, rain, snow. Every condition is available.
For me, for example, it's better when I learn everything hands-on and not just theoretically. It really helps me to remember things because I can also apply them directly at work, and it's just easier for me.
Since we do a lot with photovoltaics at our company and also generally work a lot with rectifiers or with UGVs, you get a much better understanding of their functions.
I think it increases motivation because the students can try things out directly on the system, and it connects theory and practice with one another.
The Smart Energy Lab fits perfectly with our school's concept, since we are a very hands-on, trade-oriented school. Currently, the Smart Energy Lab, which was equipped with Lucas-Nülle together, is for the electrical trades. And we are truly happy to have this building here, to have this lab that our school authority built for us, but of course also for the fantastic equipment inside the lab. And I think this is a real milestone for the educational landscape and for our school to have this lab.
I had a very clear vision for the facility with its 80 square meters and 16 workstations. Everything I had thought of was implemented. Everything I had not thought of was added by LN. I think we've made the absolute most of this space. The experience that Lucas-Nülle brings to the table was crucial, as is the quality of the products and of course the support. Outstanding. If I have questions, I know I'll get them answered.